Welcome back. In this quick presentation, we are discussing and demonstrating this tool 369 level 3am Vortex Levels. You can reach us at this email address and you can look at other options, things we do. All right, so let's get started and see how we apply this tool. All right, friends, let's work out the vibrations for the last few days and including today. So what we have this custom 369 L3 3am Vortex Levels. Now remember, vortex is everything, because if you look at the galaxies, the universes, multiple universes, they all rotating in a spiral fashion. So if you understand the mathematics of vortex and we overlay that on 369 energy points, we see the revelation of the market intent not visible otherwise. So this is the tool which shows that. This is from today. We're going to add some oscillator as well, just to help you see, pick up the bias. Now let's look at this pure energy, right? And we are just dealing with numbers. If you look at numbers 4, 2, 1, and we have been doing this for, it'll be 3 years in end of this year. So we are going a little slow, but slow and steady. No man shall be left behind who wants to go on this journey. They should be given this opportunity, because we are all brothers and sisters in humanity, irrespective of your limiting views and thoughts around things, right? So universe is ever expanding. Universal love is what you need to embrace first. And then once you do, things are given to you. We are not inventing anything. We do a lot of inventions, but first thing is discovery through extreme observations, right? This observation is what is giving us all these insider information. And even Wall Street must obey these laws. So that is our fundamental starting point, why we do things, how we do things, right? That's a good starting point to understand. All right, so going back to this level 3. So why are we talking about level 3? Level 1, first year, level 2, second year, we are in third year. So we are in level 3. Did we know in advance this crash is coming on 20th of February, this 2025, to the day? Yes. Did we know 2025 top is coming? Yes. So those are very master cycles, which is secret. Nobody is going to tell you, right? But we will show you that. Can't reveal all those in public, right? But I can just show you a snapshot. How to do it is different story. So our recommendation is to always start with pricing, level 1, master the pricing, so level 1 and level 2, and then we get into timing starting level 3. And there are some advanced things where we convert and flip the time and price and frequency to a holistic scenario. As a trader, we need to come in the market and have an exact view what I'm about to do to manage the risk. So this is where it is. On 421, the frequency is going to be 3. If we add and subtract without fractions, we have been talking about the same phenomena. So we have 4 on one side and 3 on one side. So 4 is going to be hot, 3 is going to be hot, and the combination is 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7 is going to be hot. Market opens here at 7 o'clock. See this? And comes down. Now this is vortex levels. On the right side, we have also posted the vortex numbers as it rotates, right? And this is going to stay static. We have ability to shift these grids on 369, But as a starting point, you have to change your frequency to be able to consume this information, right? That's how it is. All right, so let's see. In the morning, 9 o'clock, you are here, 9:30. What are you going to do? What are you going to do, right? So what is going on? So you know this frequencies, market, you are here, it's going to vibrate to 7. So went to 7, went to 7, went to 4. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 4 minus 7 is 3. So this is where it is clustering together, right? If you see these numbers, it is all clustered here. Why is that? I just explained to you, right? 4 and 3, 4 minus 3, we only do subtraction and addition and division if it doesn't produce any fraction. So 4, 3, and adding it together is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1, right here. It is as simple as that. The market goes down. It did not respect the 7. That's fine. It comes down. Retest to the tick 4, 4. Goes back to 1. Right. So now it is vibrating at 1. Now it is holding it. Now what is going on here? Well, this is vortex mathematics, and there's also vibration of 4 and 1 and 3. Now, you have to understand more. We teach all this for 2 hours every Saturday for people, or Sunday, depending on their engagement, right? A commitment. Because during daytime, we have to trade as traders, right? So you're focusing on this, and you're trading. You're getting your education off hours. You're doing your research off hours. So now watch a little bit more, right? That's what we want on. Excuse me. So it comes down here. If you missed it, comes up to where? 4. So you know this 4 is rejecting today, right? 4 is acting as a rejecting frequency. 4 is acting as a rejecting frequency. And you know 4, 1, 7, there are 3, both 3 of them are really working in combination. All right. Okay. So 4, and then what is going on here? How is 4 connected? Let's watch this. 4 and 1 and 4 and 7. Okay. So 4 and 7 is very close by. So what I'm looking for, 4 and 1. So went to 4 and 1, got a bounce. 4 and 1, got a bounce. So from this 4, we're expecting it will bounce from here. All right. There we go. So you should have caught this. All right. Perfect. Now let's add some oscillator. So in level 1, we offer this 3 oscillators. One of them is balance imbalance. I think it's a good start to use this just to look at overbought, oversold conditions, right? And are we getting out of balance, right? That's all we are trying to see. So at this point in time, the best trade came there in the morning. I think you should always start it a little earlier, get some trades in. All right, when everything compresses on one side, at least 2 of these compresses on one side fast right here. We're looking at this fast-paced move, which is right here. Okay, so it is telling us what's going on. And where are we on? We are on 1, 4, and 7. Where are we right now? Overbought, oversold. Now this is in the center, right? The 2 center points. The bottom point is here. So you're taking this, no problem. You got it. So, and this is another one way on the top. Let me mark that also. And that's how it is. Now here it is in the center. It does not tell us which way it is going here. This one is telling is going short again. All right, but this had no label. Not on this oscillator. Sorry, not on this model, but here it is. Here it is saying, most likely I'm going to go up now. And it does. So this is how it is, right? So every day is a different day with different volatility. All right, let's go back a few days in the back. Let's do one more example. Now you guys are becoming masters of pricing. You guys are becoming masters of pricing. Remember that. The challenge with all these numbers is hard to see if it is going to be plus or minus, right? We have to be aware of this. Put these numbers, and this is where you can use an oscillator. For example, this guy this day is saying, hey, short is coming. But if you look at this number here, what is the pricing short we're looking for? Now, as this is projected, you see there's no number. If you add this number, 6 plus 1 and 7, there's no 7 on the top anywhere. So what do we have here? So we have 7 here and 4 here. If I subtract, I have 3. Where it went? To the tick on 3 and oscillator. You see this? Everybody can do this. If you want to become a research scientist, right, and a quant engineer like we are, you can. If you want to become a cosmic scientist, which we are also, you can as well, right? There's a process for everything. And we highly recommend that you help yourself by taking our help to get you started, right? You might take this world to a place beyond belief, but you have to get started somewhere. You can't hold back. Save. You have to be a little smart. You should do smart investments. So we cannot create a level 0. I was recommending my friends and the team members, let's create a level 0, right? And level 0 will have pricing, 10 of these pricings will get you guys started at a very affordable pricing. So, all right, we'll talk about it. But for now, make up your mind if you want to be doing this or not first. All right, my friends. So what else we have here? So 3 worked out. Okay. 3, 6, 9. And now this is 6. This is 6. You can see here 3 is there. See, 3, 6, 9 is sitting right here. Now you cannot see this from, if you say, oh, how about this? 4 minus. So if I divide this, it doesn't create a fraction, so it could be a frequency of 4 also. Okay, which is not a bad idea, right? It will vibrate to 4 too. So let's see. 3 is this minus this is 3. So we can see the one early morning when market is coming here. Is it shown some interest in certain level? That is all you can do because you're coming to trade here somewhere, right? Early morning. Maybe you get up at 5. Or you get up at 4, depending on where you are trading from. All right, so we are printing at 3. We're saying, okay, at 3 o'clock, let's publish the vibrations. So what else is going on here? So it came down here to 3. From top 3 to this 3. It came to this 3, it bounced from this 3. And then top 3 is all vibrating on 3 only, all over. So what you have to do, this is where you can add the oscillator and say, okay, I'm going to go short or long at 3. So market comes down, pulls back on red to the tick here, to the tick here, right here, same thing, right? 3 and 3, you can just see this 3 here is plotted now. We are giving some more assistance to traders. You cannot get better than this. You know the price, you know the time, and you know exactly the direction. Well, time is different. We'll discuss time differently as we evolve through this. To bring you guys first to become the master of price using the lens of frequencies. All right, that is how it is. Where it went to, then it went to 4 divided by, 4 into 16, 16 divided by 4 is 4. So it went to, stopped at 4 to the tick. Interesting. And thus, it is how you heard this story over and over. I don't want to belabor this point. You have 100 trillion protons in your body, and you're connected to half the universe. Unless you believe this, the powers injected in you can be manifested through meditations. This is not possible. So we can get you started, jump started, but you have to do that journey as well. So your hidden DNA genetic powers, all the layers of calcium, layers and layers and layers of energies which are like binding your true powers, holding you back. These energies will melt. How can you melt the energy inside your body? Through meditation. You cannot burn your body, right? You will die. So the only way to melt your energies is by raising the temperature through the vibrational frequencies inside your body. And it starts melting those energies which don't belong to you. And you will see what a marvelous, pure soul you are, like everybody else. I think once we all see ourselves at a different lens, we all become partners and co-creators with the universe. And this is just the manifestation of that understanding. All right, so just this is very powerful, very powerful system in itself. That's all there is. It'll keep on going. So this one plots automatically. Just drop it. Nothing much to do. That's it. You drop it. Show up every day. I would say meditate half an hour before you trade, so you get in sync with the frequency of the universe, get in sync with the vortex, and this balance imbalance. If you are not balanced, if you don't sleep 8 hours a day, sleep 6 hours a day, trying to work very hard. They say if you sleep 6 hours a day, it is same as consuming alcohol of 0.05 after certain days. Imagine that. You are trading drunk. It's not going to work out, right? Very well. So this is 15 is 3, 6, 9. Here is a 3. Here's a 6. Here's the oscillator. Here's the oscillator. I'm laughing because universe is just so giving. It's so loving. Just try to experience it, right, my friends? I'm here, we are here, 369 is here, and we are here to help you. All right, I think I love this tool personally, and I think I love everything actually we do. But so if you want to be a trader, you can start at level 1. We are going to customize something, get the best 10 pricing levels, fully automated for you, 10 of these at a very reasonable price. You can get started, and once you experience it, you will embrace it. All right, my friends, thank you so much.